Hi, my name is Yaman Sirajuddin, and in this video, I will be demonstrating my midterm project for the CSIS279 course. So, basically, the idea of the project is an online conferencing website where people can join group sessions basically and interact using video and audio. The website is the communication is done using WebRTC technology and the so basically WebRTC works peer to peer. Okay, so it works with peer to peer. So in order to make it work for a group of users, we have to create a mesh network. Okay, so basically each user has a connection to all other users. And in addition to the video sessions, there are also chat sessions which are recorded. Their data is encrypted and stored in the database, and basically in these sessions the users can interact in the same manner but through chat messages. Okay, so let me get started with the demo. So in order to make this work on the same machine for testing purposes only, I'm using session storage in order to separate the data of the three browser tabs. Okay, if I was using local storage, they would all three would share the same data, and this wouldn't work. So I created three dummy accounts. Okay, which are stored in the database. However, you can also create an account using your email. So for the sake of the demonstration, I'm gonna use the three dummy accounts. Okay, so the user types their email and then we type the password and then we log in, and then we do this here, same password, log in, and log in. So here the interface is pretty simple. So basically you have the meeting ID and then the session password. So in order to join a meeting, we have to create a meeting and then give the ID of the session and the password to the other user. So in order to create a session, we go to the conference tab, okay, and then we type the password, and then we can see the password, okay, and then we can let's actually switch it for something else. Okay. Okay, so create a session, and then we see that it's me right here. Okay, so in order to join the other session, to make the other user join the session, I'm gonna do this. And then, so basically, I copy the ID from this one right here, and I join, and you can see me right here too as well. Okay, so we can do this for the third user as well, and it's gonna like it because it's not graphic. So we can see there are three versions of it. Okay, so we can hide video and do other stuff. But I'm just gonna be quick to make this video short and easy. Okay, so let's leave these sessions. Okay, let's go to the web chat session. Okay, so basically the web chat functions in the same manner. A user has to create a web chat and then share the session ID with the user. So I'm gonna use a different password. So as you can see right here, we have the chat log right here. So in order for the other user to join, we have to copy the ID, we have to give it to the other users somehow, and then we have to give them the password, which can be seen right here. So we join, and we join this session. Now we do the same right here. So basically we add the ID, we add the password, and then we join, and now we have three different sessions. So basically actually I can't get these three tabs. Okay, so basically we have all three right here. Okay, so now you have two types of message sendings. Okay, so basically you can send a broadcast message to all the people in the group. So we can say hello, and then we and and all users, which are the two users we have right here, receive the message. We can also do the same right here, hello back, and this is two, and we can send it right here. Okay, and then we can send hello three. No, apologies for the audio, but this is the issue with the three tabs. This causes a lot of issues. Okay, so in addition to the broadcast messages, we can also send messages to specific users. Okay, so basically, you can see the people in the session. So this tab is, I believe, it is the second user that joined. Okay, so we can go to this, and then actually we can see right here that yeah, this is the y account. Okay, so we copied, so we're gonna send a direct message to s@gmail.com, which is this tab. Okay, and this user should not receive this message. So basically, we this is a private message. Okay, if I couldn't type right, and we send a private message, this user does not receive it at all. Okay, we can send normal messages and all that stuff, and it works. That's it for the demonstration. Now let's talk a little bit about the server that is used to run, and the technology that is used to run this application. So basically, in order to run this, I can actually terminate the session. Let's terminate the session. So basically, all three users terminate the session, and the session does not exist. So now it works. Okay, so how does this work? So basically, in order to make WebRTC work, each user has to excuse me for this error. So each user has to know about the other users, and this is done through the server of the application. So the user, okay, so when a user joins the session, where if it is a WebRTC session, the user sends a signal, okay, to the server, and the server then distributes the signal to the other users in the session, and then they can interact through the server of this application. So basically, the server serves as a signaling server and as a um, uh, basically a so it's a signaling server, and it also serves as a database for the application. Okay, so once the signaling is done, they send the WebRTC data, the signals. I'm also using the simple peer package in order to simplify the WebRTC. So basically, it simplifies the WebRTC technology, so it becomes a bit easier. Okay, uh, so the signaling is done by our server, and then the stun servers, which are used by simple peer, are Google stun servers. So basically, we signal through our server and then stun using the Google servers. And in order to send the messages go through the server. Okay, they get stored in the database. They are encrypted under AESM, the GCM 256-bit encryption. Okay, and then they are sent to the other users in order to keep them safe. So this is it. This is my application, and I hope you like it. So thank you. See you.